Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been nearly more than 6 months I posted some videos. So today, October 3rd, I'm going out to buy a desktop. So I had more dilemmas whether to choose a laptop or desktop, and so many of my friends also suggested to go with desktop because I already had some bad experience with previous laptops. So I just want to assemble decent performance desktop. So now I'm going to register it. In onlines, I have seen so many reviews, dealers. So mostly I found two brands. I mean two shops. One is the Electronic Hub, and other is Delta Peripherals. So I have already prepared a list of hardware items which is to be installed in my computer. So I just wanted to know the price of the hardwares at different stores, and finally I want to go with the cheap and best.
3 hours later.
Unfortunately, I can't able to vlog anything inside the shop. They are not allowing anybody inside the shop. I opened a small window, and through that window they are delivering the products, providing the details for those who came for inquiry. I just got the quotations from 3 shops, and I just came back. Let me show you the price range for the hardware which I was searching. So these are the hardware and cost split ups. By the time the people watching this video, my system will be 100% ready, because I want to edit these videos in my new system. By the end of this video, I will be adding a few snaps of the system. In the next video, I will be showing the entire system and assemble and what are parts I have bought. Everything you can see in my next video. Tomorrow is 4th October, Sunday. So most of the shops in Ritchie Street will be closed due to holidays. So most probably by Monday I will be getting my system. And the main reason why today I didn't get the system is they do not accept card payments. Of course they accept, but there will be charges. For debit cards they used to charge about 1%, and for credit cards 2%. Between each shops, the price difference is around 4 to 5,000 approximately. So it's not wrong to compare the rates between each shops, so you can get an idea. I have decided to buy everything at Delta Peripherals. So they provide the reasonable cost, and the product is also top notch. Okay guys, I will be ending this vlog here. So see you in next video. Tata, bye bye, take care. If you like this video, please share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye, take care.